Okay, this is so gruesome. Don't watch this if you have a weak stomach. Okay, so I have cut open the stomach, right? And I'm starting to peel back, and I'm like, what could this possibly be? First off, it's huge. Second off, it's kind of red, right? What is it? As I start taking parts off, I see that it's hard. And wait a minute. Doesn't that look like a claw? What? This bullfrog has choked down a crayfish. No joke. Look at that. That's a crayfish. Those are the pinchers. This is the rostrum, the carapace. And yeah, it's kind of falling apart, but he's being digested, so what do you expect? He had lobster for his last meal. Aww. Okay, so I got two. I just want to see if is it just one crayfish or is there more than one? I think it's just one crayfish, but a nice adult crayfish for sure. And you see how hard that exoskeleton is to digest, right? Ew, so gross. So gross, so cool at the same time. So that is just one crayfish was in there. And then those are just all the legs. And so I was counting the chelicera because crayfish just have two. Ooh, wait, I have three. Maybe yes, I do, I have four. Oh my gosh, look at this. I have 4 pinchers, so he'd eaten 2 crayfish. Wow. Okay, now that the stomach's open, I can see the ruga, the little bumps in the stomach. And so they don't always have that, and mammals definitely have that. Okay, that's just kind of cool. So he had 2, he was fat and happy in his last moments because he had eaten 2 crayfish before he met his demise for the science classroom. Oh, so awesome. And this really does look like a lot of exoskeleton. A lot of the stuff had been digested. That looks like plant material. He was not selective in his gulping. No chewing, right? They have teeth, but not really for chewing, just for holding on to shove it all down his gullet. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the frog. I certainly did. See you next time.